Hi, welcome to my tutorial. Let's practice drawing real trees today. I got a practice card with 4 different trees, and I'm gonna place my card under the paper like this. Here is my fine liner, Micron 2 30mm nib, and this is the first tree, a lime tree or tilia. I always like to start with a trunk and I add some grass around. And now place a dot to mark the top of the crown and draw a dot outline. Next, you can create a triangle shape with soft corners just by connecting the dots. That looks very typical for tilia. And also make sure that your line has some soft, curvy character that can express the foliage or the leaves of the tree. In the end, you can add some extra line weight if you want for more dimension. Our next tree is an oak. It has a thicker trunk. Oaks are big trees and they can grow very old. Now repeat the same steps. Top of the crown and then a dot outline. So we're gonna keep the shape rather asymmetrical but well balanced. You can use the same line type to connect the dots and create the shape of the oak. Again, if you want, you can add some extra line weight in the end. You will have a hint of dimension to this otherwise two-dimensional drawing. Next tree is acer or maple. Maple's trunk is not as wide as oak's trunk. And the leaves, if you remember, are rather pointy. So let's make sure that we can reflect it in our outline. It's a bit sharper this time. Little things like that can make a big difference. Finally, a little bit of extra line weight, just here and there. And the last tree for today is betula or birch. It has a whipping shape, and after drawing all the previous trees, I feel that it's really easier to draw now. Just repeat the same steps, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was useful to you, and I recommend you to practice on your own. See you next time. Bye!